49th one, the incorrect question. Is there anyone who does not know what is diamagnetic and paramagnetic? Because here, even if you don't know MOT, you will be able to give the correct answer. So diamagnetic, I think, is there anyone who does not know? No, my question is there anyone who does not know what is diamagnetic or paramagnetic here? Diamagnetic in the sense, what dia in the sense? No unpaired electrons. Correct? Paramagnetic, presence of unpaired electrons. So compared to O2 plus, yes, O2 plus is what? More stable compared to O2 minus. So I can say that option B is correct. If I take oxygen, correct, the bond order of oxygen is what? 2. If it is O2 plus, just at 2.5. O2 minus, subtract this thing 1.5, because most of the entrance examination they have been asking about what? Oxygen only, especially in MOT. O2 2 minus, it will be 1. Correct? So we can clearly know that from this itself 1.5 is greater than 2.5 is greater than 1.5. So O2 is what? Less. This is correct option. This is the correct option. O2 plus having higher bond order. What is this 1.52 and all? Bond order. So this is also correct. Both O2 plus and O2 minus are paramagnetic. Option D. What about option D? O2 plus and option both are paramagnetic in nature. O2 plus is not at all diamagnetic. How can we say it makes no sense actually? You got the point? Yes. So our incorrect option is option C. So that is our right answer here. Our incorrect option is option C. So we need not see, but obviously there is a sigma and pi configuration MOT. So if you go through that thing, it will benefit you. Okay, so there are some rules and everything. If you can just go through that thing, it will benefit you. It's there in the inside textbook. Let me go to the 44th question. This is again related to the chemical bonding chapter. 44th question. Which of the following compound of xenon has pyramidal geometry? 44th one. Pyramid kind of thing. In the sense, what it is? What is pyramidal thing? sp3. Correct? Pyramidal. So obviously XeOF4 that cannot have a pyramidal. XeF2. XeF2, I can just put fluorine and fluorine here. So again, it's a linear thing. So it's between option C and this thing, pyramidal thing. Again, XeF4, no. XeF4. So it can be square here. XeO3. Again, just having common sense, we can get this correct answer. Clear? Yes. 44th C. XeF4, we'll get a square here. Correct or not? Yes, XeF2 is linear. XeOF4, no. what it is. It is a square pyramidal XCF4, but the question here is pyramidal. So option C is what the correct answer in this. Option C is my answer in this. Yes. Sixteenth one. MSO4, then NH4OH X. What is this? M and Z. MSO4. Very close, actually. This is 16th one. I think already I'm getting some answers. 16th one. Correct. So 16th one, again, I'm not sure whether this will come. Okay, because in the syllabus, this has been removed, to be very frank with you. Okay, this particular thing. So this is again a direct question. I just do with what ZnSO4. This is basically correct. So it will form a complex zinc soluble salt with ammonia. ZnNH4, NH3 4 times for 2 plus. You got the point. And finally, I'll be getting a white precipitate, the zinc. So it is option B is the correct answer for this. Option B. Yes. I think almost everyone has given me the correct thing. Yes. 15th one. 15th one. The atomic number of GD is 64. See, for this 60th one, see, this is the reason I always tell that knowing the off-bow principle. In the sense, let me just clear it down here. Off-bow principle we have to know. In the sense, we have to know how to write the electronic configuration. So in this question, see, atomic number of GD is what 64 they given. So what is my GD here? Xenon, then what it is? What I can write it here? 4 F7, correct? 5D1, 6S2. So if this is GD, so if it is GD2 plus in the sense, what I am doing? I am removing this thing, 6S2. Correct? So which means my answer is what? XE 4F7 5D1. So now I just check it on the option. So do not see the question here is not of GD, it is of what? GD2 plus. So this is that of GD. I want to remove the 6S2. You should tell me what is the correct option in this. Is it A is again removed or 4F8 is not the thing? So what is the option now? Yes, it is option D is the correct answer.